What's up, third graders? Today in social studies, you are going to pick what you are going to change that will change the world. Remember, it's going to be something small, and that small change is going to have a large effect. We're going to use our slideshow to show what you're going to change. So we're going to flip over to the slideshow, look at that, and talk about what you need to do today on that slideshow. The world, you have by who is doing it, and you're going to come up to the upper left hand. You should see where you can see each slide. There should just be one, and to the top left there is a plus sign. That plus sign will add a new slide. You're going to click on new slide. Then you'll see click to add a title. This is where you are going to pick what you're going to work on. Like, what are you going to make some changes that can change the world? Let's talk about some of the things to think about that we learned about last week that you can start making some changes in. First thing we learned about was air pollution. You can think about air pollution and wonder if that's something that you want to tackle. Maybe it's litter. Maybe that's something you were like, I can do something about litter. Maybe it's one of the other things we talked about, oil spills, toxic waste. Maybe it's something that you didn't even read about, but you were thinking and you saw a problem that hasn't been talked about. Any one of those things is fine. Now I'm going to talk about today's step on the slideshow. Have your slideshow. Up here is the title. In this title, you're going to write what it is that you want to work on changing. I am going to work on air pollution. That's my goal. I'm going to work on changing air pollution. I'm going to write down here 3 reasons why I want to work on air pollution. So I'm thinking about something negative about air pollution. I want to make a numbered list. I'm going to click right here, just like we did before. One thing with air pollution is air pollution makes the sky gray. Something I don't like to look at is a gray sky, especially when I know it can be blue. Number 2, air pollution makes it hard to breathe. The second thing about air pollution, I'm going to come up with 3 things. A third thing about air pollution can make people sick. That is what you need to do for today. You need to select up here what you want to work on. What big problem are you seeing? And then you just want to come up with 3 reasons that it isn't good. So for me, when I think about air pollution, I know that air pollution makes the sky gray. I know that air pollution makes it hard to breathe. And I know that air pollution can make people sick. That's got to change. I am going to be thinking about how I can change it. So third graders, you know if you're done today, if you have thought about big problems that are existing in the world and you've come up with one problem that you are going to work on changing. In my example, I'm going to be working on air pollution. I also had to come up with 3 reasons that air pollution is bad. So I have my 3 reasons, and that is all on my slideshow. I have what I'm going to work on and my 3 reasons. If you've done that, then you are finished for today. Your brain should be thinking about what kind of changes can you make so that you can help change this big problem. And it's going to be little changes. I'm going to make some little changes. I'm going to promise to make some little changes. I'm going to think about it all day and all night. And tomorrow I'm going to have at least 3 things that I'm going to do a little bit different so I can help with air pollution. Hope you have a great day. Keep crushing all of the learning, and I will see you tomorrow for social studies.